If you want to draw on photos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in that case we need to open Gallery. Once you open Gallery, we can select the photo that we wish to customize, that we wish to edit, and then press this pen icon over here at the bottom. Now, tap on these 4 circles that we have on the right side, and actually not these 4 circles, this smiley face with the pencil. And over here we can find different tools that we can use in order to draw something. So as you can see, we have different pens, etc. We can choose different colors, we can adjust the thickness, the transparency, and so on and so forth. And we can just start drawing anything that we wish to see on the photo. And besides that, what is also available is, let's actually revert the changes. Let's go back to the original. We can tap on this Galaxy AI icon over here, and then we have sketch to image. So we can draw anything that we want to generate in the image. So let's say we're gonna draw perhaps like a small tree. So let's see if it's gonna work. And let's press generate. And let's see what we can get as a result. And there we go, we actually got a little flower, even with a shadow, so that's quite nice. And we get different results, I believe. Also, here is the before, here is the generated, and then we can generate one more. So once you are done, press done over here at the bottom of the screen, and then we can save our copy. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.